Hey guys, today I'm going to be opening this Hello Kitty food truck playset along with 6 of these Hello Kitty Series 1 minifigure collectibles. And it says that it is 12 of them to collect. So let's go ahead and get started with the food truck first. And it says it has over 22 fun play pieces, 3 figures included. Pretty cool. It looks really, really nice. It has all kinds of little knickknacks in there. And this is the back of the truck. And it shows you what other play sets are available for Hello Kitty. So it's pretty cool. I can't wait to open this. Let me go ahead and get this open and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is the food truck. It's really, really cool. But I'm gonna first show you Hello Kitty. She has a little apron with a spatula and her little chef hat. She is ready to make some burgers. And let me go ahead and bring Jody in. And Jody is ready to take some orders. You see that with his little notepad? Ready to write all those orders up to give to Hello Kitty. Really cute. Oops. And next one is Fifi. Look at that. I guess she's gonna be the customer, right? Really cute. Okay. And this is the food truck, guys. Look at that. All the wheels turn. It had a little bow in there. Adorable. And the seats, it has 2 seats in front. In the front of that. Cute. And it has a little bow on top and in the front. And the seat too. 3 bows. Cute. And it says today's specials. Look at that. Cheeseburger with fries. Banana split sundae. Really cute truck. And this is the back. And oh, I didn't realize this. It's taped up because it opens. Let me go ahead and peel the tape. I'm kind of scared to peel the tape. I don't want to rip the sticker off. Let's see. Oh, awesome, guys. Look at that. Oh, it has all the little ingredients and the frying pan and everything. And, oh, storage. Awesome. Really nice. And this is the inside of the truck. It has a little sink, stove. Look at that. Got cash register. Super awesome. I love this. This is really, really cute. Awesome. So I'm guessing, let's go ahead and put Hello Kitty in there. You can barely see her. And I'm going to put Jody in here so you can see him better. Let me go ahead and move this and move the camera just a tad bit so we can see better. All right. So this, if you leave this open, I guess you can see the little cheeseburger in the back. There we go. And it comes with some drinks. This is one. And you can put them right in there. 2 drinks. 3 drinks. 4 drinks. And we can put the other ones in here. I didn't rip the tape good enough though. Let me go ahead and push it aside, but look, you can put the little sodas in there. Right there. Awesome, guys. This is a really cute set. It comes with all sorts of things. And one more. This is great. I really like this. Really cute. And it comes with a little hot dog. Yummy. A sandwich. See, with lettuce and ham. And you can take it apart. But I'm going to leave it together. Milkshake. Some fries. And I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know where it goes from to or anything. But let me go ahead and keep going. This is the apple. I guess I'll just put that over there. And this is a cheeseburger. Look at that. And we have a little tray. Another big tray. A table. And 2 cute chairs. So we can sit Fifi in here. I will say, right? Can we sit her down? I'm not sure. Does she fit in there? Oh, there she goes. And we can put a tray with some fries. And was the sandwich fit in there? Not quite. That's pretty cool. I really like this set, guys. It's really, really cute. So let's go ahead and start opening our Hello Kitty blind bags. Let's see what we have. It says that there's 12 to collect. So I don't know if these are new or not sure, but I found them at Walmart. So let's see what we have in here. Ooh. I never collected Hello Kitty things. So this is really exciting for me. Oh, how cute, guys. Look at her. She's a little ballerina. I'm guessing, is she a ballerina? I think so. It doesn't have a name, does it? What does it say? Not sure. But anyway, she is cute. Let's go ahead and put these aside first. Let's put our little set aside, and let's go ahead and put our little Hello Kitty items here. I mean, little Hello Kitty minifigures. So that's one. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. Oh, is it the same kind? Oh no! This one is like a little, she's playing a flute. Look at that, like she's in a band. Oh, that's really cute, guys. I'm not sure what the name of these are though. So, let's go ahead and start with this other one. So this will make 3. I only have 3 more after this. And oh, this is a duplicate already. But it's so... And this is another ballerina. Really cute. It's a duplicate. But let's go ahead and set it right there. And let's go ahead and open bag 3. Let's see, who do we have here? adorable, like a little farmer. Just a little overalls. Look at that. Really, really cute. Gosh, these are really adorable. I'm glad I found these. Let me go ahead and open this other one. And if you guys could help me with the names of these, I'm not sure what the names of these are. That would really help. Oh, a duplicate. Okay, so I have 3 different kinds. Let's see what this last one is. Oh my gosh, it's another duplicate. So I have 2 of each kind. So I have 3 still. 3 different ones, but it's okay. Really cute. Well guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and to like my video. I'll see you later. Bye.